welcome to the CIIF Shanghai Exhibition 2025. So I'm Echo from DH-Robotics. Today I would like to show what kind of new products DH-Robotics bring to you. So firstly, please allow me to introduce simply on our DH-Robotics. So DH-Robotics is a company started from 2016, and we have a factory more than 7,000 square meters. Also, we have a lot of products which help customers to realize the Industrial 4.0. So let's see what we bring to the exhibition. We bring several dexterous hands here. So as you can see, we bring the 3 new dexterous hands. We have 5 fingers with 20 freedom, as well as 5 fingers with 14 degree. And also we released one type is 3 fingers with 7 degree. So okay, what's the new on our dexterous hands? As you know, in this year, the humanoid robots becomes very popular, as well as there are a lot of dexterous hands coming. But what's the difference of DH-Robotics dexterous hands? So as you can see, firstly is our dexterous. We are aimed to develop a very robust dexterous hand which can meet the industrial application. So because as you know, we do have a lot of application from the factory automation. So we hope that we can develop some dexterous hand that can be applied in the factory to help the factory to make some complex but very flexible works. So that's why we focus on to develop the robust dexterous hand. And the second one is, we are trying to, the communication during the factory automation is very important. So that's our new products is able to reach 2 Hz communication speed. So that means that during 1 second, our hands is able to finish 2 actions. So I think it's a very flexible and a very quick response during the assembly line. Yeah, and the third one is also we bring a very special dexterous hand. Is 3 fingers but with 7 freedom. So that one is we are target for some customer who may care about the cost, that they would like to use this kind of dexterous hand to finish some complex task. So that's why we develop this kind of 3 fingers but with 7 freedom. Yeah. Okay, so here as we can see, our engineer is using some glove to remote control our dexterous hands. So this application is very interesting and popular for some R&D researcher industry. Okay, so here as we can see is our linear actuator demo. So the linear actuator demo is widely applied in semiconductor machine to pick and place some wafer, as well as in the electronics industry is applied to pick some small electronic components and do the assembling. For example, our actuator is applied in a lot of famous phone assembly line to pick some small components and do the assembling. So because the accuracy and force control capability, so it's able to be applied in some semiconductor machine to pick some wafers. Here is some demos about our electric grippers. So as you can see, we showed our featured rotary grippers, which is built-in controller, as well as we are able to adjust the parameters like the rotary angle, rotary torque, as well as the rotary speed. So it's very popular for some medical customers, for example, do some capping and decapping on the test tuber. So we are able to make this kind of electric gripper very small size, but with very good force control capability. So it's able to pick some fragile components, even like electronic components, as well as some fragile components like glasses. Yeah. So next is about our electric cylinder. So we are able to develop some small size electric cylinder, but with a built-in controller. So also those kind of cylinder, we can adjust the stroke speed and also the force. So it's very flexible for some small size machine, as well as some machine which requires a very good force control capability. So also here in this exhibition, we released one new product is the position sensor. So this kind of sensor, we can reach a very high accuracy, like 1 micrometer. Yeah. So the sensor is gonna be a new strategy of our DH-Robotics line. So let's look forward more sensor models to added in our group. So here is the demo of our magnetic transmission system. So in this exhibition, we bring a very cost-effective transmission system, which is with a modular design, and also the accuracy is very good. But actually, we are trying to developing some cost-effective magnetic transmission system to encourage more and more traditional customers who are using the belt solution try to use this kind of modular design. So with this, we are able to help customers to realize the real industrial 4.0 factory. DH-Robotics, we are not only provide this kind of linear type magnetic transmission system, but we are also have something like a curved type transmission system. So well, those kind of magnetic transmission system right now is widely applied in electronics industry, as well as the battery industry, also some cosmetic industry, and some consumer appliance industry. For example, for some filling, packaging machine, also it can help customer to enhance the production rate as well as the inspection accuracy. So we are trying to use this kind of intelligent solution to help customer to make a real intelligent transmission assembly line. Yeah. Okay, so after nearly 10 years exploration on the factory automation, DH-Robotics, we are also have a network on overseas market. We already sold our products to over 40 countries. So also in the future, we are going to exploring more opportunities to working with overseas customers. So if you have interest on DH-Robotics and our products, please feel free to contact us and follow us on the LinkedIn and the YouTube and our website to learn more information about DH-Robotics. Thank you.